Imagine a world where Intel, yes, Intel, was afraid to build microprocessors. That's the world the 8080 was born into. In the early 1970s, Intel saw itself as a memory company. Executives worried that selling CPUs would scare off their biggest customers. So when engineers proposed new processors, management hesitated. The 4004 and 8008 barely made it out the door. But those early chips proved something important. The sky didn't fall. The 8008 was clever, but it frustrated everyone. Too few pins, too slow, too limited. Customers complained loudly, and Intel's engineers, especially Federico Faggin, took the heat directly. Inside Intel, the message was clear. The next chip had to be better, a lot better. When the 8080 design began, the team made a controversial choice. It would not be binary compatible with the 8008. That meant rewriting software from scratch. Developers were annoyed. But the engineering team insisted. Fixing the architecture mattered more than preserving the past. It was a risky move, and it paid off. Intel expected the 8080 to end up in calculators and terminals. What they didn't expect was the Altair 8800, a hobbyist kit that turned the 8080 into the spark that ignited the personal computer revolution. Inside Intel, this caused its own debate. Should they embrace the hobbyist world, or keep pretending they were just a memory company? The 8080 wasn't just a technical upgrade. It was the product of internal fear, customer frustration, bold engineering decisions, and one very unexpected revolution. And that's the surprisingly dramatic story behind the chip that helped launch the PC era.